Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Volvo XC60 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need, like a small flathead screwdriver. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back down. With the wiper arm in the service position, locate the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against the windshield, as this could cause damage. You can place a soft cloth on the windshield for protection. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement and ensure they provide a clear, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. If they don't, double-check the installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.